quick review on this Bestisan, whatever it is. I got it on Amazon on Prime Day. I think it's 34 inches or 33 and a half. It says 100 watts. This thing really is good. It's got the Bluetooth connectivity, or you can do the ARC. But I like listening to music when I'm on this machine here, or this machine here, and sometimes my wife's on that machine. And here's the remote. And okay, the remote. And it's got optical, ARC, auxiliary, USB, and you can adjust the bass and treble. So this is my third Bluetooth speaker. I have two portables, one little one, and I got a bigger 80-watt one that I take outside by the porch. And but this thing, it is loud. And then I like watching a movie when I'm rolling sometimes, or I can play MP3 player, and it works good. Yeah, I got I got it on a lightning deal on Prime Day, and I think it was $72. It was normally like $109. So, wow, this thing, it really works. We'll see how it holds up, but I just want to let you know this really works for me.